Here's my old adapter. Battery goes right in. Powers up. Battery stays into the adapter. Adapter comes out just fine. This is the new adapter. Goes in. It won't click in. It won't stay in. Now if I take the battery, put the battery in, the battery clicks into the adapter, but the adapter won't stay. It doesn't seat or something. Something's going on where it won't stay in there. I don't have a Bauer battery to try in it, but the old adapter fit just fine. So it seems, if I look at the other adapter, put a mic on it, well, I can't seem to hold this and the adapter. So I'll send pictures of what I get here and what I get here. And there is a difference between what the old adapter connects to and what I get here. But I'll send the pictures along with the email. So the only problem with this old adapter, and the reason why I'm replacing it, is because this little switch here on the side, it's starting to do its own thing, and if it's not in the right position, it don't work. That's why I wanted your adapter, because it seems to be more stable, but it don't fit. It just won't snap in. And I think it's basically right here. I actually believe that right here, this needs to be shaved down just a small amount. And I could probably take a file to it and bring it down so that it will seat into the, it just will not click in. Just falls right out. But it does, if I put the battery in the adapter, drop the adapter, let me stand it back up. If I drop the adapter down inside the port, it will, well, it did before. There we go. So the power is working through the battery, through the adapter, into the tool. But it just falls right out.